When you hear the Frigidaire name, immediately you think of quality-built, affordable kitchen products. Well, the folks at Frigidaire are at it again. Introducing the countertop ice maker. Are you hosting this year's family BBQ? Well, then you better get your hands on this ice maker. The LED design allows you to check the ice level and choose the size of ice cubes you want. The cover with the large see-through window makes it easy to see the ice basket and shovel. The air outlet will keep this thing going through the whole party, and when it's time to clean up you can easily empty the ice maker with the drain plug. All this from the makers at Frigidaire, the #1 leader in refrigeration. The product voltage range is 120 volts. Here are the key features of the Frigidaire Compact Ice Maker, 26 pounds per day. Modern design. Ice maker with a large transparent window so you can always see your ice being made in the level. Compact and easy, Frigidaire's countertop portable ice maker offers a wide range of uses with a compact dimension 9.5 inches wide, 14.1 inches deep, 12.9 inches high. Our countertop ice maker is portable and compact, making it simple to transport and use. Efficiency. Each 5 to 6 minute cycle produces 9 ice cubes, with a total capacity of 26 pounds in 24 hours. When unused ice melts, the machines recycle the water to produce a fresh batch of ice. At any time, you may enjoy fresh ice. Functionality. When the basket is full, our ice maker indicators will remind you to take out the ice cubes. And when the ice maker is low on water, it will alert you to add more. Versatile. Choice of bullet ice in 2 different sizes, and countertop design enables easy portability. Large capacity. 2.3 QT water reservoir enables a large volume of ice production per batch, and the large bin stores 1.5 pounds of produced ice at a time. Note: please check the dimension and item weight of the product and confirm it fits your space.